This is on 000. It is very simple. You just have to push this button on the left. Now you have to reset the number, like I am doing 5 to 1. 5 to 1. Now I have to do this on again on the right side. It will open only on this number, 5 to 1. If I do again any number, it will not open. So again, if you want to reset, 5 2 and 1, only on this it will open. It is open. Now I will again reset it on 000. For resetting it, again push this on this side, 000, reset, and don't forget to push again on this side. Otherwise, if the numbers will change, you will forget the lock.